Hey, Tectonic family, did you know that every time you check the weather on your phone or swipe through your favorite social media app, you're actually using APIs? Yup. These little pieces of tech magic are at the heart of almost everything we do online these days. So, what exactly is an API? Well, in simple terms, API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's basically a set of rules and tools that allows different software applications to communicate with each other. In 2024, understanding APIs is more crucial than ever for software developers because they're the backbone of modern applications and services. Now, let's dive into a common issue many developers face: misconceptions about APIs. A lot of folks think APIs are just some complex technology meant for super advanced developers. But guess what? That's totally not true. Many developers struggle to wrap their heads around how APIs work, often feeling overwhelmed or confused. You might find yourself thinking, is it just a web service, or is it something more? Alright, let's explore the different APIs and how they really work. There are several types, but the most common ones include REST, SOAP, and GraphQL. REST APIs use standard HTTP methods and are super popular due to their simplicity and efficiency. On the other hand, SOAP APIs are a bit more complex, using XML for messaging and requiring more overhead. And then there's GraphQL, which lets you query exactly the data you need, making it really efficient for certain applications. Now, let's look at some real-world examples. Think about how you use Google Maps in your app. That's an API in action. You send a request to Google's servers, and they send back data about locations, routes, and more. Or consider payment processing. Stripe and PayPal have APIs that allow you to handle transactions without having to build the functionality from scratch. Here's the key insight: mastering APIs can seriously boost your efficiency as a developer. When you understand how to leverage APIs, you can integrate various services into your applications without reinventing the wheel. Imagine being able to pull in data from multiple sources, connect with third-party services, or even automate tasks with just a few lines of code. This not only saves you time but also enhances the functionality of your projects. So, getting a solid grasp on APIs is definitely a game changer. To wrap it up, we've covered what APIs are, tackled some common misconceptions, explored different types and real-world applications, and highlighted how understanding APIs can enhance your development skills. APIs are everywhere, and they're more relevant than ever in 2024. So, what do you think about APIs? Have you had any experiences, good or bad, with them? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights on software development. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.